Here we are again with the history class. So today we will be learning the Mesolithic culture and Mesolithic and Neolithic age. Mesolithic age has started around 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC. As you know, Mesolithic age is also known as Middle Stone Age. Okay, Middle Stone Age. And when it has started? It has started around 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC. And on this period of time, what happened that the early man has started converting into a human. That means they have started taking adaptation. Okay, they started adopting the culture of a human. So they were nowhere called as early man, but they have turned into partially human. Okay. On that period, what happened? As they started increasing, the population started increasing, the temperature also started increasing. When the temperature started increasing, what happened at that time? The glacier, okay, the glacier started melting. That period of time was fully covered with ice. When they started developing their community, so what happened? The glacier again they started melting out, and the temperature has become higher. Okay, when the temperature has changed, there was some production has started, especially you can say the crops. Okay, some crops have started, especially the grain products. Okay, they started producing different kind of grasses were started producing by itself. Sometimes later on they have started agriculture, but when the temperature has started, the production of grasses has started, and that grasses has turned into some grain yielding crops. Okay, you see here. What about the food? What kind of food they used to use? They used to eat a variety of grain bearing grasses like wheat and barley. See, these are the two crops. Okay, these are the two crops that was first used by human, and they started coming out, and it has started producing which they use as a food, and that crop they started using as a food. That means firstly in Paleolithic what they used to eat in the food, whatever raw things they used to have. After discovery of fire, they started cooking them with. Now in the food they started having the grain things like wheat and barley. Okay, now let's start with the tools. Now see, tools in Paleolithic culture, in Paleolithic age, we used to have big large stone tools like hand axe and all, but when it has came into Mesolithic, that has changed into smaller tools. Okay, the smaller and sharper stone tools, it is called as microliths. Microliths are very small tools. Okay, the small stone tools that they used to use in bow and arrow. Now see the picture. This is an arrow. Okay, they used this microliths. What they used to use? They used to use this microliths in the tip of the arrow, and with this arrow they used to kill. They used to hunt different kind of animals. Okay, so this was the new invention or new discovery, you can say, in the Mesolithic age. Okay, next, archaeological sites. Archaeological sites, like we have learned in Paleolithic, Bhimbetka and Adamgarh, there are different sites are there. In the same way, in Mesolithic also you will find some archaeological sites. There it is in Tamil Nadu, okay, Telangana and Rajasthan. Rajasthan, one place is there, bigger. There you will find this kind of stone tools. Okay, especially the Mesolithic tools that was used mostly in that period of time. This archaeological site you will mostly find there. Got it? Mesolithic culture. Now let's start with Neolithic. Now see, Neolithic means a new invention. Okay, new things that has started. Means now the early man has partially human. Now partially human too. They have turned into a fully human. Okay, they started around the different innovation phase. Different discoveries has started. See, Neolithic age is the new stone age. Invention. What is the invention they have made? First was wheel. Okay, they means when in the end of the Mesolithic period, the humans have used to use these logs. Okay, logs means big wood. They used to make a carrier like that. Okay, one kind of carrier they used to make with the help of this kind of logs, and where they used to put different kind of things and they used to carry that. Okay, in the end of the Mesolithic. But when Neolithic has started, with this help, okay, with these stones, they have got an idea of creating a wheel, and that was invention has started in wheel. Okay, in Neolithic age. next invention was pottery. They started making different pots. Okay. Then we have what kind of discovery they have made? Discovery they have made by growing plants. Like in Paleolithic they have done discovery of fire. In the same way Neolithic they started growing plants. What kind of plants? How they got the idea? When they saw plants sprouting from seed. When they saw the plants sprouting from the seed, they got the idea of growing plants. Okay? And after when started growing plants, what innovation? Innovation is new ideas. How the new ideas has came? Innovation has started with domestication of animals. They started animals to domesticate keeping for of their own livelihood. Means they can they don't have to go for hunting. They started domesticating the animals and they started whenever they want they can eat them, or they want it if they want they can whenever they want they can use it as a livelihood. Okay, so domestication of animals they started. Next you have agriculture. As they have started growing, they want to produce different kinds of crops and plants, so started with agriculture. Okay, so these are the Neolithic culture. So we have completed Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic. So let's have a summary of this chapter. So let's have a summary of this chapter. Let's start with Paleolithic age, that is Old Stone Age. Okay, time 10,000 BC around. So why we are using around? Because as there is no written records, on the basis of you can say the evidence which they got from the fossil or different kind of archaeological site, whatever evidence they have got by the archaeologists or by the historians, they have estimated one time period. That was might be not be the same, but it has estimated that in this time period, this age or this you can say one invention or one kind of discovery was there. Okay. So time period Paleolithic first 10,000 BC. Tools, what kind of tools they used to use? Hand axe, big stones like bolas. Okay. Big tools, you can say big tools. Shelter that used to stay in caves. Okay. And clothing, they used to cover their body with what? Leaves. Fire, discovery of fire. Okay. So this is about the Paleolithic. Now let's come to Mesolithic. Mesolithic is the Middle Stone Age. Time you can say 8,000 BC around. Okay. Tools, microliths, the small tools. I'll show you this picture. After the end of this class, I'll show you the picture how microliths look like. Shelter, where they used to stay. Shelter, they used to stay in huts. That is made up of mud. Sometimes it's mud, sometimes it's stone. Okay, they used to make the houses with stone and mud, and above and top of the roof, they used to put the straws. Okay. Clothing made of barks of leaves in summer and animal skin in winter. So these are the Mesolithic culture, Mesolithic age. Okay. Next start with Neolithic. Start with Neolithic. Neolithic means New Stone Age. Okay. As we have learned this now only, the time is around 4,000 BC. Invention, you can say wheel and pottery. They started making invention of wheel and pottery. Next you have discovery. As we have learned, growing plants. They started growing plants. Okay. They have innovation. What innovation they have made? Domestication of animals. They started putting animals in domestic. Okay. Agriculture. Permanent settlement. Permanent settlement means now they have started from nomads to permanent. Earlier they were nomads, means moving from one place to another. Now in Neolithic they started having a proper residence. Means they started building up a proper society. Okay. Permanent settlement. Settlement means houses. Okay. And permanent means fully settled. Okay. Next we have tools. What kind of tools they used to use? They used to use polished tools. Okay. Is that big tools has turned into a small, and that small tools or different tools based whatever they used to use, that was fully polished. This Neolithic Stone Age, okay, or New Stone Age, we will learn detailed study in chapter 2. Here in chapter 2, half part is only given about the innovation and discoveries and about your invention, but in chapter 3 you will learn in detail. Okay, so this much you have understood. I think so this chapter is clear. Now let's start with the bookwork. Okay. Now see children, you can see the microliths. Okay, if it is clear to you, just seal the microliths. Okay, look at the shape of the microliths. It is a small, look like a blade. Okay, that in Neolithic culture or Neolithic age, the humans used to use this kind of stone tools. Okay, that is microliths. Understood? One more archaeological site is there that is very important for you all. That is Hansky Valley. Okay, Hansky Valley is a very important part. Hansky Valley is a very important part in your Paleolithic culture, because this is also one archaeological site. Where it is? It is in the bank of the river Krishna. Okay, in the Gulbarga district of Karnataka is one of the most important site of the Old Stone Age found in India. Okay, excavation have unearthed numerous small settlements. Yadyapur and Ishapur are two of the oldest sites. Okay, you can see in the Hansky Valley. The very important part in this Hansky Valley, you can see this kind of scraper. This is a scraper tool. Oh sorry, cleaver, which is called a cleaver. Okay, this is a cleaver tool which is large heavy stones. Okay, it's a large heavy stones, and these stone tools, okay, these are the weapons that is mainly that was made of limestone. Hand axe here, cleaver, scraper and knives were the most commonly found tools. So that means this Hansky Valley is not only important for Paleolithic but Mesolithic and Neolithic. These three combinations you will find in this archaeological site. Okay, and this is one of the biggest, you can say, a case study that has been done by the archaeologist. Do you understand? See? So Hansky Valley, where if this question is asked to you, where is Hansky Valley, it is located, then you can say that it is in near river Krishna in the Gulbarga district of Karnataka. And why it is important? Because it is one of the most important sites of the Old Stone Age. So got it, this one? So let's start with your exercise part. See here. First, your new words. Evolve, you learn this full. Change gradually. Paleolithic, you can learn up to here, Old Stone Age, or you can write here. If you want to learn more, then you learn this Old Stone Age from two Greek words, paleos meaning old and lithos meaning stone. Okay. Next you have nomad, means moving from one place to another. Okay. Mesolithic, middle stone age, you can learn this as you Mesolithic age, you can learn like this, or you can learn this fully. Okay. Microliths means stone tools that were smaller and sharper than those of the Old Stone Age. Okay. And Neolithic means New Stone Age, or you can say the two Greek words, neo means new and lithos means stone. It's not given here stone, but lithos means stone. Got it? Now look at the exercise part. Number A, choose the correct answer. See, humans evolved first in where? Asia, Australia, Europe and Africa. As we have learned, first they have evolved in Africa. Okay, Australopithecus was the first human, or first you can say the ape creature that have been seen in Africa. Okay. The longest phase of the Stone Age was the Paleolithic, Mesolithic, Neolithic or Chalcolithic. Chalcolithic we have not started. We will start in your chapter 3. But Mesolithic and Neolithic was not so lengthy. It was the longest phase was Paleolithic. Okay. In the Paleolithic age, no one wear clothes made of leaves they used to wear, animal skin they used to wear, bark of tree they used to wear. So woven cloth will be the correct answer. Okay. Bhimbetka is in Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh or Odisha. Where it is Bhimbetka, it is in Madhya Pradesh. Got it? Now Paleolithic means old stone in Greek. Okay. A nomad, see, look here. A nomad is a person who moves from one place to another in search of food and water. The use of fire was discovered in the Paleolithic. Okay, where it was started, the using of fire, as we have learned, it is in Paleolithic, or you may write Old Stone Age also. Okay. Smaller and sharper tools of the Mesolithic age was known as microliths. The Hansky, see here, the Hansky Beichwell Valley lies on the banks of the river. Which river? That was Krishna. So you got this? So these are the exercise part. I'll show you one more time the picture of microliths tools. See, that time it might not have been clear. So look at the stones of microliths. Those who don't have the book, you can see the pictures. Okay. This chapter, chapter 2, exercise C and D and E, I'll be sending you in the PDF form, and map work, as you all are in your home. So later on when the classes will be started, that time we can have a map work. This map work is given a Paleolithic and Neolithic sites. It is Bhimbetka, Adamgarh, Hansky Valley, then you have Payampalli. These maps is given in this page also. These maps, it has given in different colors, but to do the map, you should know where actually the state it is. Okay. So just for time being, you leave this one. Only you complete your exercise A, B you do in your exercise copy, and you learn these new words from the book itself. Okay, and C, D and E, I'll be sending you the PDF. Okay children, so next class we shall meet again. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.